What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Gadget Audit. We all carry stuff every day: keys, phone, wallet. But the difference between just carrying things and carrying a well-curated everyday carry is all about being more prepared, efficient, and ready for whatever the day throws at you. So today, we're breaking down 10 EDC gadgets on Amazon that have earned their keep. If you're looking to seriously upgrade what's in your pockets or your bag, you're in the right place. All the links to check anything out are, as always, available in the description and the first pinned comment. Let's get into the essentials. All right, let's kick this off with a tool that might just make your old tape measure feel a little outdated. First up is the Fanttik A10 Pro Digital Laser Measurement Tool. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I really need a laser measure? But if you find yourself doing any kind of DIY, furniture shopping, or even just planning out a room, this little gadget is a revelation. It neatly combines two tools: a short 9.8-foot digital tape measure for small up-close jobs and a 165-foot laser measure for instantly grabbing long distances. The beauty is in its simplicity and precision. Point the laser, press a button, and you get a reading accurate to within 1/8 of an inch on a bright color screen that's actually readable outdoors. It calculates area and volume on the fly, and it stores your last 30 measurements. It charges via USB-C, and the battery lasts forever. For an EDC bag or even a jacket pocket, it eliminates guesswork and frustration. All right, for number 2, we're looking at what might be the most versatile flashlight you could ever slip into your pocket: the OLIGHT ArkPro Ultra. Now, I carry a flashlight every day, but most are just flashlights. The ArkPro is different. It's like the Swiss Army knife of illumination. It packs 4 distinct lights into one sleek, flat profile: a massive 1700 lumen floodlight for lighting up a whole room, a focused 800 lumen spotlight, a 365 nanometer UV light for finding stains or checking currency, and even a green laser pointer. You can mix and match them, using the green beam with any other light for 7 different combinations. It's built like a tank from OLIGHT's special O aluminum. It has a strong magnetic tail and a 2-way clip for hands-free use, and it charges easily. For an EDC item, its value is in solving so many little problems, from walking the dog and finding a dropped key to doing a quick inspection under your car, or even just having a reliable, powerful light when the power goes out. It's not just a flashlight, it's your daily ready personal light source. Now for number 3, we have something that turns the simple, everyday act of writing into a genuinely satisfying experience: the Cool Hand 4.5-inch bolt-action pen. We've all used disposable pens that feel flimsy and forgettable. This is the opposite. It's a substantial precision tool. The body is made from G10 or micarta, materials known for their incredible durability and grippy, textured feel that warms up in your hand. The star of the show is the bolt-action mechanism. Flicking that bolt open and closed to deploy the pen tip is unbelievably fidget-friendly and just feels rock solid. As an EDC item, it's perfectly sized. The deep carry pocket clip means it disappears in your pocket, and it even has a rubber tip for using it on a touchscreen. It accepts standard high-quality Parker-style refills, so you're never stuck hunting for a proprietary cartridge. It's a small upgrade that you'll interact with multiple times a day. Moving on to number 4, we have a gadget that tackles one of life's little annoyances with some serious power: the HOTO Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Think about all the tiny messes that pile up: crumbs in your car, dust in your keyboard, pet hair on the couch. This little powerhouse is designed for exactly that. It's incredibly compact, weighing less than a pound, so it lives happily in a glove box or a desk drawer, ready to go. Don't let the size fool you. With a 96,000 RPM brushless motor, it has surprising suction. But the real genius is its 4-in-1 versatility. With different nozzles, it doesn't just vacuum, it can blow dust out of electronics, inflate small items like pool toys, and even work as a mini vacuum sealer for travel bags. For an EDC bag, it's the ultimate cleanup tool for your car, your workspace, and your home. Instead of letting small messes become big ones, you can solve them in seconds. It's not just a vacuum, it's a pocket-sized maintenance crew. All right, for number 5, let's talk about something for your hands. This is the HIDEDC Mountain Fidget Slider. If you're someone who needs to keep your hands busy to help you focus or just unwind, this isn't a toy, it's a precision tool. Machined from premium alloy with a smooth electroplated finish, it feels substantial and cool to the touch. The magic is in its unique 6+8 magnet layout inside. Unlike simpler sliders, this configuration allows for really smooth, complex, and satisfying movements. You can slide it, flip it, and perform all kinds of quiet, fancy tricks with one hand. It's the perfect discreet EDC fidget. It lives in your pocket, ready for a moment of stress or a need to concentrate. The subtle metallic click-clack is incredibly satisfying without being loud or distracting to others. It's a brilliant little piece of mechanical zen that fits right in your palm. Now for number 6, we have what might be the most straightforward and brutally useful item on this list, the Gear Spool Heavy-Duty Keychain Prybar. Look, we've all been there. You need to pry open a lid, scrape off a sticker, or turn a flathead screw and you end up abusing your house keys or a knife blade. This little tool eliminates that every time. It's milled from a single solid block of stainless steel, so it's indestructible. It has a sharp pry edge, a notch for pulling nails or staples, and it works as a capable screwdriver. Its genius is in its pure simplicity and form factor. It clips directly onto your keyring, so it's always with you, adding almost no bulk or weight. It's the ultimate in-a-pinch tool that saves your fingers and your other gear from damage. It's pure, uncomplicated utility. All right, number 7 addresses something almost all of us carry, but rarely think about upgrading: the humble wallet. This is the SEMORID Minimalist wallet. Let's be honest, traditional wallets can become thick, worn-out leather bricks. This is a deliberate upgrade. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's incredibly slim and durable. The smart part is the pop-up mechanism. Press a button and your most used cards fan out instantly, no more digging at the checkout. It still has space for cash and plenty of cards. For EDC, it's about carrying only what you need in a way that's fast and secure. The built-in RFID blocking protects your cards from digital theft, and its slim profile is perfect for front pocket carry. It's a small change that streamlines a daily habit, reducing bulk and clutter. A truly thoughtful wallet is a cornerstone of a good EDC setup, and this one nails it. For number 8, we've got a gadget that turns frustrating, fiddly repairs into a breeze: the UF Tools Cordless Mini Electric Screwdriver. You know the struggle, trying to carefully open up a gadget, a toy, or a pair of glasses with a manual screwdriver that slips or doesn't have the right bit. This little driver is the solution. It's a compact pen-style tool with adjustable torque up to 0.6 Newton meters and a digital LED display that shows you exactly what you're doing, so you never strip a delicate screw. It comes with a rotating magnetic case that stores 72 high-quality S2 steel bits, a pry tool, and tweezers. Everything organized in one sleek kit. It's rechargeable via USB-C and powerful enough for hundreds of small jobs. For your EDC bag, it's an instant repair station. It means you're always ready to tighten loose hinges, assemble furniture, or tackle a quick electronics fix with precision, not guesswork. It replaces a whole case of tools with one intelligent portable device. Coming in at number 9 is a brilliantly simple tool that solves one of DIY's universal annoyances: the RAK Magnetic Wristband. How many times have you been working on something, putting together furniture, fixing a bike, installing a shelf, and you're juggling screws, nails, or drill bits only to drop half of them? This wristband ends that. It's a rugged, adjustable strap lined with 10 powerful magnets that securely hold all those small metal parts right on your wrist, exactly where you need them. It's not just for your workshop. Clip it to your belt loop or hang it on a tool cart. Made from tough ballistic nylon, it's built to last. For your EDC or a go bag, it's a compact organizer that turns messy, frustrating projects into smooth, efficient ones. It's one of those "why didn't I think of that" tools that instantly proves its worth. And finally, at number 10, we're ending with a piece of EDC that blends practical function with pure, satisfying craftsmanship: the YEEMO Mini Brass Bolt Action Pen. This is the ultimate write-anywhere tool. Handcrafted from solid brass, it has a wonderful heft and will develop a unique patina over time, making it truly yours. The bolt-action mechanism is snappy and incredibly fun to fidget with. At just 3 inches long, it comes with a keychain, so it can live right on your keys or in the smallest pocket, ensuring you're never without a pen. It accepts standard Parker-style refills and comes with 2 to start. For an EDC item, it's the perfect marriage of reliability, durability, and a little bit of joy. It turns the simple need to write into a small, pleasurable moment. And that wraps up our 10 EDC gadgets that are genuinely worth buying. From laser measures and powerhouse flashlights to minimalist wallets and that perfect little pen, each one is built to solve a real problem and earn its place in your daily carry. If you're ready to upgrade what's in your pockets, every single item we talked about is linked for you down in the description. Which one of these are you adding to your EDC first? Let me know your pick down in the comments. If you found this roundup helpful, it would mean a lot if you gave the video a like and subscribe to Gadget Audit for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.